Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Hi there, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be doing this cute or whatever natural winter glow. Now this is a really quick makeup look I like to do. To be honest, I'll probably do the same thing in summer, but because it's winter and in winter it's easy to feel gloomy and whatever, but you can glow through your makeup. You can glow through within yourself also, but like with your makeup you can just add that extra glow to yourself. In winters when you're walking around you still feel warm inside because you know that your skin's glowing, like you get me. So basically I'm just showing you guys my current makeup routine but winter edition basically. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's hop straight in. Okay, so first off I usually start by doing my eyebrows. Obviously I start by brushing up my eyebrows. My mirror's here, the ledge here, so I'm going to be looking in the viewfinder here and up there. So bear with me guys, we'll get there. And ignore how my edges are laid, but then my hair's a bit puffy. I went to the gym today, so that's why, and I had to lay my edges because I just had to. And my hair is in need of a wash, but I think I'm going to do that on Tuesday. So I've now brushed out my brows. I think I'll zoom in so you guys can see. And Glossier, baby. So basically, I use Glossier products for my brows, and well, I've been using it for the last month. Oh my god, it's just amazing. Like, it's just so... oh. So I used the brow flick, Glossier brow flick in the shade black, and I've also got the gel in the shade black, and it just gives you the most natural looking brows. Oh, it's sexy. It is beginning to run out, so one thing I have to say about this product, I don't think it's very long lasting, so I don't know if to purchase it again because it wasn't cheap, to be honest, or find a similar product that's cheaper because it is starting to run out. So I just start by doing little flicks to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm now going to take the boy brow gel and I'm going to set my eyebrows and give it that natural bushy effect. My hands are so dry. Can anyone else relate? When you go to the gym, do your hands just get really dry from lifting the weights and everything? Like, my hands are dry no matter how many times I moisturize them, so I don't know about that one. I'm gonna have to figure out a solution to this because this is getting a bit... they just look like female hands now, I'm not gonna lie. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So now that my brows are concealed, I'm just gonna basically blend the concealer out. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm now gonna prime my face. Excuse how messy my primer is, it's just got mixed up with my foundations and stuff. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and I apply this to my T-zone areas because this is a really matte primer. Like, it mattifies your skin. But you can already see the difference in terms of how it mattifies, because I've got combination skin, I'd say, more on the oily side. yeah, this is good for me to make sure everything stays in place. And the reason why I pat it is if you rub it, it flakes up. So don't rub it, guys. Do not rub it. So next is time for foundation. Now I switch between the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now sometimes I mix the two as well. I'm just going to use this one, so the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And because it's matte, it works with me because my skin gets oily throughout the day. So even if my skin gets oily, it just looks like a dewy foundation. And a little bit on my cheeks. Just where I've got discoloration, dark marks, whatever. Like, I haven't added that much. It's a very thin layer. I'm then gonna use a brush to blend that out. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder to my T-zone area to sort of brighten up a bit. I'm not gonna use concealer today because I don't feel like it. Now it's time for my favourite part, to contour, but more of a bronzy contour, if that makes sense. Because I used to be one of those people that I loved to just have the sharp contour, and sometimes I still like it, but lately I've been liking more of like a bronzed look. So I basically just add a little bit to sort of bronze my cheeks. Now it's time for blush. The blush I bought is the Sleek makeup blush, which is really good, but the thing is I got it too light, so it sort of just warms up my contour. So I might go in with an eyeshadow, like a reddish eyeshadow, and just lightly go over the blush with that, just so it shows on camera. Because yeah, this one doesn't, this is it. So as you can see, it's not really going to show up that well on my skin, but it sort of just warms up the contour, makes it look more natural and glowy. So that's what I'm going to do. So now time to use the eyeshadow as blush. So I'm gonna use, let me open it. I'm gonna sort of brush my brush over these three shades here, and I just lightly just go and add a little bit, like a tiny bit, to my cheeks only. Like I focus it a little bit on my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Oh, my lips have been crusty during the entire video. I do apologise, guys. Before I'm going to set my... do you know what? I moisturise my lips after I set my face. It just, in my mind, it works out better. So I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting mist. Okay, on a usual basis, I probably won't use highlight, to be honest, because I want to get as natural as possible. I only got highlight on, people know you're wearing makeup. I mean, you can tell I'm wearing a little bit of makeup, but you know. But for the sake of this video, I feel like adding a little bit of highlight just to get it a bit more glowy in this winter months, because oh my god, the weather in Liverpool, it's so cold. It's so cold. Like, I be legit sitting with my back against the radiator doing my work and everything, because literally it's too cold. It's too cold. I think today I'm gonna go with my Revolution baked bronzer, highlighter, whatever. Very pretty and all that. Look at that guy. some natural glow. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit to my nose. And my signature look, I guess, is to add a little bit of highlight to my inner tear ducts. So I literally just lightly tap a little bit. And lastly, I nearly forgot, to be honest, but you gotta have some mascara. So I've raved about this in my GRWM first day of school video. This mascara is the only one I use other than this Revlon one, but this is my number one. Like, it's good. It both grows your eyelashes and gives you some bomb eyelashes at the same time. Wow, just wow. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Okay, so that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's probably a bit longer because I'm filming, but it literally doesn't take me long to do this. I sort of perfected it, and sometimes I do less and sometimes I do more depending on my mood. So today was the most, so the most is like maybe just over 20 minutes. So yeah, it's quick, easy, simple look for winter, when you want to glow in the winter months, because I don't know about you, but I still want to, you know, look cute sometimes or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you enjoyed it. Gang gang gangs, Afro gang, the Afro gang. Yeah.